Because for the last 10 years, there has been a 21% increase in global crops adoption from the point that we left when the ban that was lifted was instituted until when we lifted it. So a 21% increase in adoption globally, that's a huge margin. In the last 30 years or so, GM crops have continued to be adopted and adopted by farmers, and this is because of the benefits that the farmers are accruing from adoption of these crops.
Genetically modified organisms are plants or animals or microorganisms that have been developed using modern biotechnology. So in short, therefore, we regulate products of modern biotechnology, and our work is to check on safety to ensure that the product of this technology is safe for human health, for animal health, and also for the environment.
Tukisema tukitunza hii mbiti cotton, wakulima wanapata pesa mingi, sababu ukiuza tani moja unapata around 65,000, lakini ingine ya 300, ukisema 300 times 65 unakuta mbiti cotton iko na pesa mzuri kuliko ile nyingine ya kitambo. Tuseme hii kuzaa kwa mbiti inachukua muda mfupi kuliko ile nyingine ya kitambo. Ingine unakuta wakulima walikuwa wanapiga ndawa kwa ile ya kitambo, tulikuwa tunapiga kama mara 10 hivi, lakini kwa mbiti tunapiga kama mara 3 kwenda mara 4.
All this period, research has been going on, and right now we have released BT cotton, which is with the farmers. I think it is going through the 5th cycle of cultivation, and the farmers have expressed themselves in other forums.